tummy says, oh, oh, that's your body saying go. Potty helps your body feel right, so we try day and night. I listen when my body talks, and then I don't rush, I take my time. Little steps, I'm learning me, and I'm feeling good inside. When your tummy says, oh, oh, that's your body saying go. Not the rush, just take it slow. Find your spot, you already know. Feet on the floor, breathing deep. You're safe, you're good, you got this, see. Every try is how you grow. That's your body saying go. It's okay if you don't get it right. We just try again next time. No pressure, just flow with you. Your body knows what to do. I listen when my body talks, say la la. I don't rush, I take my time. Little steps, I'm learning me, and I'm feeling good inside. I listen when my body talks, say la la. I don't rush, I take my time. Little steps, I'm learning me, and I'm feeling good inside. Listen when my body talks, I don't rush, I take my time. Little steps, I'm learning me, and I'm feeling good, he said. Sit and breathe, don't overthink. Let your body do its thing. You don't have to force a move, just relax, it'll come through. Hands on knees or resting still. Take your time, no need to rush to feel. When you're done, we clean and go. That's just how we learn and grow. Oh yeah, no shame, no fear, no hiding away. My body's learning every day. I'm getting stronger, yes it's true. Little me knows what to do. I listen when my body talks, I don't rush, I take my time. Little steps, I'm learning me, and I'm feeling good inside. I listen when my body talks, I don't rush, I take my time. Little steps, I'm learning me, and I'm feeling good inside. When your tummy says, oh, that's your body saying go. You're okay, you're learning slow. You're growing more than you know.